Are you a SaaS or B2B tech business that's looking to amplify your online presence? Have you ever wondered how off-page SEO could be the game changer that you're looking for, but you're not sure where to start? Well, you have landed on the right video. Over the next 10 minutes or 15 minutes or so, we're going to look into the world of off-page SEO and how you can use it to transform your online reach. Hi, I'm Perry, the founder of Maddox Digital, where we breathe, eat, and live SEO for SaaS and tech businesses. Today we're diving deep into off-page SEO and its crucial role in expanding your online visibility and driving organic growth. If you are a SaaS founder, SEO manager, or marketing manager looking to boost those revenue numbers, this video is going to help you do so through organic growth. At Maddox, we know firsthand that off-page SEO can really drive a company's digital footprint. We've helped countless businesses just like yours reach new organic growth with strategic off-page SEO. You can go to our website and check out the companies that we're working with and see those case studies over at www.maddox.digital/case studies. If you haven't already, please do hit that like button, subscribe to our channel and that notification bell. The YouTube algorithm absolutely loves it when that happens, and it means I can make more video content just like this. Okay, so let's start breaking down what I actually mean by off-page SEO. When you think of SEO, your mind probably immediately jumps to keyword optimization, meta tags, URL structures, anything that you can really tweak on your website. And that's all on-page SEO. But today we're going to be focusing on off-page SEO, which are the actions you take outside of your own website to impact your rankings within search engine results. So these could be various things. These could be backlinks from another website, social media, guest blogging, and even review websites, and much more. So why does off-page SEO matter so much for SaaS businesses? So firstly, off-page SEO increases your domain authority and credibility. High-quality backlinks from authoritative websites signal to search engines like Google that your site is a trusted source of information. This in turn can boost your website's position in those search engine results pages for the keywords specifically that you would like to rank for. So secondly, off-page SEO can significantly enhance your brand visibility and exposure. Every time your brand gets mentioned or linked from another website, it expands your digital footprint. Lastly, a really well executed off-page SEO strategy drives improved organic traffic and conversions. And with a solid product and well-optimized website, those visits will turn into conversions. Just remember, off-page SEO is not about quick wins. It's a long-term strategy that builds credibility, authority, and traffic over time. Okay, so let's dive into some of the actual techniques that you can use to help improve your online presence. There is no one-size-fits-all approach here. Different strategies work for different businesses, and a large part of SEO is figuring out what mix of these strategies is best for you and your business. We're going to tackle 4 key off-page strategies today. So firstly, I want to discuss the building of high-quality backlinks, which are golden tickets that search engines love. Then we're going to move on to social media marketing and brand engagement, where we'll explore how to effectively use platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter to bolster your SEO efforts. Third, we'll look at the online reputation management. In an era of word of mouth that has moved to digital, maintaining a positive online reputation is really key to building trust with both search engines and people. And finally, we're going to touch on to influencer marketing and outreach. This strategy has taken off in the recent years and can be a powerful tool for building visibility and authority. So first up, on our off-page SEO strategy list is the building of high-quality backlinks. Now, these just aren't any backlinks. We're talking about links from high authority, relevant websites that point to your business and to your website. Backlinks are a vote of confidence in your content, and they're from the online community, and these are one of the most influential factors search engines consider when determining your site's credibility and authority. So how do you secure high quality backlinks? First and foremost, create valuable content. If you put out insightful and useful and unique content that offers value to your audience, other websites are naturally inclined to link to you as a valuable resource. Secondly, another effective approach is guest blogging and content partnerships. This involves reaching out to other relevant websites in your industry and niche, offering to write a guest blog post for them. This not only exposes your brand to their audience, but it also gives you a really great opportunity to link back to your website within their content. Third and lastly, do not underestimate the power of engaging with industry influencers and thought leaders. Creating relationships with these key players can lead to valuable backlink opportunities. If they start finding your content valuable, they might mention or link to it from their own platforms, significantly boosting your visibility. Remember, building high quality backlinks takes time and effort, but it's an investment that can yield substantial SEO dividends in the long run. Okay, so the next off-page SEO strategy is social media marketing and brand engagement. In the digital age that we're in, social media platforms have become invaluable tools for businesses to reach their audiences and then engage with them on a personal level. But did you know they also play a crucial role in your off-page SEO strategy? Social media may not impact your search rankings, but it directly influences various factors that search engines do consider. More shares of your content equals more visibility, and more visibility can lead to more links. So how do you make social media work with your SEO strategy? The first step is create engaging content from your social platforms. This could be informative blog posts, insightful infographics, entertaining videos, or even interactive polls and quizzes. The key is to make it share-worthy. Building a strong social media presence and community is another effective strategy. Regularly posting, interacting with followers, and fostering a sense of community can encourage more shares and higher engagement, which can in turn increase your site's traffic. Lastly, leverage social media for brand advocacy and customer engagement. Encourage satisfied customers to share their positive experiences and reviews on social platforms. These word-of-mouth endorsements not only enhance your online reputation, but also contribute to improving your brand visibility and backlink potential. Remember, just as always, social media is a long-term strategy. It's not about the hard sell, but rather building relationships, growing your brand, and fostering a community around your products or services. All right, so next on the list is online reputation management. Just as in real life, your online reputation matters. Search engines tend to favor businesses that have positive reputations, while negative feedback or reviews can have a detrimental impact on your search rankings. But managing your online reputation isn't just about pleasing search engines. It's also about building trust with your audience and establishing your brand as a reliable authority in your field. So how do you manage your online reputation effectively? Firstly, you need to monitor and respond to online reviews and feedback. Whether they're positive or negative, it's crucial to show your customers that their voices are being heard. This can not only improve your customer relations, but also signal to search engines that you are an active and responsive brand. Next, leverage testimonials and case studies to build trust and authority. These are real-world examples of satisfied customers that can show potential customers that you deliver on your promises, and that enhances your reputation. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of PR and thought leadership. Being featured in reputable online publications, going on podcasts, webinars can really significantly boost your brand's reputation and provide excellent backlink opportunities. Remember, managing your online reputation is an ongoing process. It requires constant attention, but the benefits are really worth it over the long term. Okay, so last but certainly not least on our off-page SEO techniques is influencer marketing. In this day and age, influencers wield a significant amount of power when it comes to shaping customer and consumer perceptions, and then also help drive purchasing decisions. The concept here is simple. You collaborate with influencers who have a substantial following within your target market. They promote your brand or product, thus boosting your brand's visibility, credibility, and audience reach. So how do you effectively incorporate influencer marketing into your off-page SEO strategy? Start by identifying influencers in the SaaS industry who align with your brand's values and have a following that matches your target audience. You can use various influencer marketing platforms or even social media searches to find potential collaborators. Once you've identified potential influencers, it's time for outreach. The key here is to create a win-win situation. Explain why a partnership with your brand could be beneficial for the influencer and their audience. Maybe you can provide unique content, offer free access to a SaaS tool, or propose other creative collaborations. Engaging with influencers shouldn't be a one-off deal. Established long-term relationships can lead to ongoing promotions, ongoing collaborations, and even referrals, all of which can significantly amplify your brand's reach and reputation. Remember, influencer marketing isn't just about getting a big name to promote your brand. It's about finding the right fit, offering value, and fostering a mutually beneficial relationship. Okay, so that kind of covers the solid foundations of off-page SEO techniques for SaaS. But what's the point of having top-notch off-page SEO if no one sees your content? That's why this part of the video will focus on content promotion and link building strategies. In this section, we will explore how you can get your content out there and attract high-quality backlinks, further enhancing your SEO efforts. And we're going to discuss 3 main strategies. So first up, we'll tackle content syndication and distribution, a simple yet super effective way to increase your visibility of your content and reach a wider audience. Next, we'll dive into the world of industry forums and communities. These platforms can be an absolute goldmine of engagement and backlink opportunities if used correctly. Finally, we'll touch a little bit on local SEO and business listings. Even if your SaaS business operates globally, do not underestimate the power of local SEO. Okay, so our first strategy in content promotion and link building is content syndication and distribution. Simply put, it involves republishing the content you've already got onto third-party websites or platforms. You might be asking, why would you do this? Well, content syndication can provide several benefits. Firstly, it extends your content's reach, making it visible to a wider audience beyond your usual followers. Secondly, it enhances your brand's visibility and credibility, as your content gets associated with reputable platforms. To leverage this strategy effectively, you'll need to find suitable content syndication platforms and networks. These could be industry-specific blogs, news websites, or content syndication networks that distribute content across multiple websites. But there's one crucial factor to keep in mind. When you're syndicating your content, it's vital to maintain consistency in your messaging and branding. Ensure that your brand's voice and values are evident across all of the platforms your content is distributed on. Remember, content syndication isn't about duplicating your content all over the web. It's about selectively choosing platforms that align with your brand and can provide value to your audience. Okay, so the next strategy is all about participation and engagement in industry forums and online communities. This might sound old school in the era of advanced AI and sophisticated algorithms, but trust me, it still works because not many other people will do it. These platforms allow you to connect directly with your target audience, answer their queries, share your expertise, and build relationships. Active participation in these communities not only improves your brand visibility, but also establishes your authority in the niche. Let's say that there's a thread on a tech forum discussing challenges in project management, and you happen to have a SaaS tool that addresses these issues. Here's your chance. Jump in and answer some of these questions, share your insights, share case studies, and subtly mention how your tool can be a solution. Remember, this is not an opportunity for a hard sell. The goal here is to provide value and foster genuine connections. And as you continue to engage and share valuable content, you'll find that people will naturally want to learn more about your company and offerings, and then click through to your profile and then click through to your website. In the process, you'll also create a host of opportunities for high quality backlinks, because as your insightful comments and posts get shared across the community, those will have links to your website in. Remember, the key here is authenticity. Be genuine, offer valuable insights, and the rest will follow. Okay, our final strategy in content promotion is something that might surprise you, and it's even for global SaaS businesses, and that's local SEO and then business listings, which can be incredibly effective, especially if you're targeting customers in specific geographical markets. Local SEO can enhance your visibility for local search queries and boost your credibility among local customers. But how do you optimize your local SEO? First, take full advantage of Google My Business. Create a listing for your SaaS business if you've not done it already, and make sure to optimize that listing. Fill in all the details, add images, and regularly update your listing with new information and posts. Next, work on obtaining positive local reviews and ratings. Encourage your customers to share their experiences and rate your business on Google. Remember, online reviews significantly influence customer decision making, and positive reviews can significantly enhance your local search rankings. And then don't forget about directories and niche specific platforms. Whether it's a business directory, a local tech hub website, or an industry specific platform, these listings can provide valuable backlinks and increase your local visibility, and even global. While your SaaS business might operate worldwide, remember all global successes start at the local level. Don't overlook the power of local SEO. Okay, so we have covered a lot of ground today in this video. It's definitely taken longer than I thought. This is a 20-minute video. I thought it was going to be 10, but off-page SEO is a critical component to your digital marketing arsenal, especially for your SaaS businesses out there. It's not just about your website, but everything you do outside of it that can enhance your online visibility and drive organic growth. We really went into a load of key strategies like high quality backlinking, social media, online reputation management, and influencer marketing. We even then dove a little deeper into strategies around promotion and distribution. So that's content syndication, we looked at industry forums, and we talked about local SEO. Now remember, every single one of these tactics has the potential to significantly increase your domain authority, boost your brand exposure, and bring in organic traffic to your SaaS platform. All it takes is a really well-planned and consistent strategy. Now it's your turn. Take some of these ideas and start implementing them in your business today. Okay, so that wraps up our guide to off-page SEO for SaaS. I really hope you found this content valuable and feel more prepared to enhance your SaaS online presence. But before you go, if you've made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights for SaaS and tech marketing. We'll be covering a huge range of topics, and I think it would really help with your growth. I want to thank you for your time. Please spend some time looking in the description to find links to relevant articles, and stick around for the next video.